Hello everyone, in this video we review this website called Talkpal AI. So guys, this is the most efficient way to learn in English languages with Talkpal is GPT powered by AI language teacher. You can boost your speaking in your language and you can increase your pronunciation skills. This application guys or this website supported in different language. As you can see here, we have English and Spanish, French, Germany, Italian and Portuguese and Chinese and Arabic languages with different more 40 language more. So guys, this is you can increase your level. As I say, this is app existing on Play Store, and this is different option. As you can see here, you can dialogue design and optimize language, and you can improve valency. As you can see here guys, this is different way. This is good platform, and you have database and different character, and this you can engaging with different character, unique experience. This is QR code to download this app on App Store or Play Store, and you can try premium for 30 days. Just try premium, and this have a support team guys, and as you can see here, and have a help center, and this is learning option. You can have a call mode and photo mode. As you can see here, this is photo mode. You have different photos. So guys, I hope this video helpful for you. See you on another video soon.